Hey guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy and welcome to my channel. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how quicker head turns can equal tighter turns. So hang tight. Now, as I have mentioned before, your handlebars will usually follow your head and your eyes. So because of this, a slow head turn equals a slow handlebar turn, which causes a wide turn. This is because as you're slowly turning the handlebars, you're taking up space. Now I'm going to show you how this looks while I'm riding. Now I don't have any boundaries for my demo, but I want you to notice how wide my turns are. Now, when you turn your head quicker and look with your eyes where you want to go, the handlebars will turn quicker. And it will cause your body to turn more, which will equal a tighter turn. Now, see how my body opens? Now, this is how it looks while I'm riding. Now, I want you to notice that this time my turn is tighter. The next two videos will be hammock cam views. Now the first video will show me making a slow head turn. Now the second video, I will be making a quicker head turn. Now you should be able to see the difference. So, if you're having trouble making tight turns, try making quicker head turns. If you want to improve your head turns, I recommend you watching this video I did on the 3 common head turn mistakes I see. Now, until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.